Hello fellow developers, welcome to our brand new video in our hashing algorithm series. In our last video, we have talked about MD5 hash and its implementation. So we'll continue this series with another hashing algorithm, which is SHA-256. So stick till the end. And before moving on to the video, like the video, subscribe to our channel if you're new, and share it with your friends. So let's get started. So think of SHA-256 like a iron lock. Although it's stronger than MD5 because it creates more complex hashes and it cannot be broken easily. We can break MD5 hashing with rainbow tables and collisions. So that's the main difference between MD5 and SHA-256, that SHA-256 creates more complex hashing. Although SHA-256 is cryptographically stronger, but it was designed to be fast. Okay, and if we talk about fast algorithm, then it shouldn't be used for password storage because hackers can brute force more password per second. So for password storing, SHA-256 is also not a good choice. But where do we use it then? So you can use SHA-256 in digital signatures like SSL, TLS, or blockchains for Bitcoins. So now let's move on to how do we implement SHA-256. Now, implementation for SHA is ditto same like MD5. So what we will do is we'll just copy paste this thing and paste it in our SHA file. At the exception, the only thing you need to change is you need to change the hashing algorithm to 256. Okay, now if we run this, you'll see the SHA has created a more complex hash function. If I run the MD5 again, then you can see it was fast and has created a shorter hash function, but SHA has created a longer hash function and it's more complex also. Okay, so that's how we implement SHA-256. Now let's move on to Bcrypt. So that's all for this video. This is Anwar signing off till the next one.